Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. So this is the second half of this unboxing I did. If you didn't see that, the unboxing, check out the link over here and you'll see that full unboxing. So this is one set here. I want to show you the camera, the actual setup of the actual storage area, the internet, 32 gigs of storage, and some of the pieces. Basically, rinse and repeat. Once you do one, the rest of them are pretty much the same, but I'll show you this one specifically. So it says in the instructions to plug in the base station first. This is a solar panel. This is the setup for the camera. This piece is for the camera, and this is for the solar panel itself. Those are the part. Here is the camera. It's already fully charged. I have a green light. Take that out. That's all set to go. So the first step we want to do is, like it says, plug it in the back of the base. And then we're going to plug in our Ethernet. So this is not wireless. You have to plug in the Ethernet. And I have one right here. Let's get that plugged in. And it says it takes around a minute to get itself set up. So let's see what happens. Let's put this here. And we'll go outside in a few minutes. So stay tuned to the video. We're going to go out. We're going to hang up one of these cameras. We're going to download the app. And then we're going to go from there. So let's just, it says it's going to blink. It says it takes about a minute to set up. So let that do its thing. Okay, so we're going to let that continue setting up. So all I want to do is download the app. So you go to the instruction manual. There's a place here, the QR code. Just scan that, and you can download the app with your phone. And that's easy enough to do. So let's get our phone out. Let's put it on photo. And then you just want to download that app right here. Have that. And that is the app right here. Let's download that. Let's get that installed, and let's set up the account, and let's just get everything ready to roll. And once this turns solid, it should be ready to connect and basically sync. It should be pretty much that easy. All right, so let me just continue downloading this. Let this continue opening up. Let me open up the app. You can see here, yes, we definitely want to allow notifications. And we want to create a new account. So let me go ahead and do that. Let this continue, and we're right back. Okay, so it's still blinking. So let's just go ahead. I set up the account. Let's just add device and see what happens. Allow Bluetooth. Allow. Sure, why not? And then it says you want to scan the code. There's a QR code in the back of this camera. Actually, no, back of this first. So let's get this connected first. Hit that.
Please
allow.
Scan the QR code on the device or home base.
Okay, you heard that. So it talks to you. So it has a little speaker back here, which is cool. It shows you the different ones that are available. So we have the solar cam system. We plugged it in like it said. Continue. I hear hello. Let's see if it does that. So let's see. So it says to hold this. Let's see. Let's hold this sync button. So you hear it say hello.
Hello.
Well, it says hello, just like it says. When you hear it says hello, okay, I hear it say hello. And then press the button on the back to sync, it says. So let's sync that. And the green light flashes. Let's see. Oh, there's the beep. Now it's flashing like it says. Okay, and then hit continue. Now it's connecting the camera. Connecting the home base of the camera, I guess. We'll find out. Find out together. You hit the sync button, and then you're good to go. There's a little plastic on here. It says success. Take off the little plastic here. You can see it's scanning. Home base connection is successful. We have a blue light. Okay, that's a blue light, which is the connection, which is awesome. And let's see. So one camera is green. That is done. And we can set up the other ones afterwards. Hit done. That's there. Skip the upgrade storage. You don't need that. Okay, skip that. These are all some updates, some information. Done, done, and done.
Hey gang, just want to take a moment to thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're enjoying my videos and my content, please consider buying us a cup of coffee. The link is down below in the description. I really do appreciate that. Everything we do raise goes back into the channel to create better videos to help you learn the things you need to learn. All right, let's get back to the video.
It is connected, as you can see. It's got a nice wide view. You can see this on my phone. Motions detected. So you can go in here and set up all the different settings. There's a million things to set up. So we'll go through all that in a few minutes. Let's just set this camera up outside. So pretty easy to set up. You can see that it was pretty self-explanatory. You just hit the buttons, kind of walks you through everything, and super easy. I'm going to show you, this just screws on to the back of the camera here, so that's easy enough. You can see here, I'm getting all kinds of notifications now. Then you can adjust that right here. Put that in. Then you can adjust this pitch, all that. And basically what you do is you just put this in the screws in the piece of wood or wherever you're mounting it, and then you just snap it in. And that's easy enough. And then you hook up your USB-C in the bottom for the solar panel, and hook up the solar panel. Again, it's really easy. All you do is basically take this through here, pop it on here, just like that. Easy enough. This just goes. You do this first. You just put this on first, like that, just like you see, and then you just screw this on the back of your solar panel. Then you can make all your adjustments after you get it up. And that's easy enough to get that, so that's easy. That's it. So we're going to hook this outside, and then we'll finish up the video. Okay, guys, just going to do a quick cutaway. I just want to show you a couple different features the camera has. You saw me doing the setting up of the camera. You saw all that. You're going to see after this video real quickly, you're going to see me installing outside. And then after that, we're going to go over some of the features and benefits. But really what's cool about this, it has all kinds of different, so it's night vision, that's 2K or HQ quality. Either one. 2K is excellent, very high quality camera. It's got a really big battery, nice big sensor in here. It's got a light, speakers. It's got all kinds of cool things. What's cool about this, it actually talks. So you can set this up to do like not so much scare, but giving warnings. Let's call them warnings, okay? So so here's the light. Show you that. So put the light on. Hit the light button. You'll see it light up. Okay, you have that. Here is tone, and I'm not sure what that does, but it's, okay. Hello. Also, it sounds like it changes your voice a little bit, so it does that. Shut this audio off. Does that, so you can talk. It also has an alarm. Shut that off. That's loud. And then it has voice alerts. Now check this out. It has 3 different ones. Here's one.
Please get out of here now.
That's one. It'll set off our motion automatically if you want to. Here's another one.
Hey, what are you doing here?
That's another one. And here's one more.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you.
Okay, so you can set those up if you want to. I just have, I'll just hit no cancel, so no voice alert. So you can do that kind of stuff. It's really cool. And so I just wanted to show you that real quick. Setting it up is super easy. Just great. I love the quality. We're going to go some outside footage in a few seconds. So definitely enjoy this camera. Definitely enjoyed this set. I'll leave links down below. Again, they're affiliate links. I do get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything at all. It does help me out for my channel. So I hope it brought you some value. Hope it brought you some education about these really nice quality. I tell you, I like these cameras quite a bit. Really nice when they're self-sufficient and solar powered and just awesome. You can see even the camera here. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to show a cutaway with some night footage or some day footage, and you'll get a look at the quality. All right. Appreciate your time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, guys. I appreciate it. Okay, guys. Well, I'm outside now, and I'm actually going to mount this camera right up there. And I'm going to put the solar panel right above it, or right around the same area. This is where the camera is going to go. It's going to face I have a back door here. This is a backyard, and this is where I wanted to face this area here so I can get some security back here. We do have a security light, but also this will help a lot with just the whole back of this whole area here. So let's screw this up. Just like I said, 2 screws, and we'll see what happens. Camera right around here. I'm going to try to put the solar panel right above it. So I'm going to make this a little bit lower, panel above it, and that's the idea behind it. Let's see. Let's see how far I want to go here. I'm going to go to the corner. Yeah, that'll work. That should work. And let's see, 2 screws. Easy enough. Let's see if I get these in here. Yeah, I can eyeball it and make it straight, because you can adjust the pivot on this camera, so this should be fine. Actually, this should work perfect. And let's get the second one in. Easy enough. You can see that. I just went on just like that there. Super easy. And that just snaps right in like I showed you before. Okay, that's already on. Right? Pivot it down. Look how easy that is. That's super easy install. I like that a lot. And then we're going to take our solar panel. We're going to mount it right around here. And let's see, we'll pivot it just a little bit like that, and they get an angle of the sun, and that should work just like that. I'm gonna just screw this in. I'm just gonna pop this right in here. That's all you got to do. It's basically just that easy, guys. Put a couple screws here. You got your solar panel here. You got your camera here, always charging, and you're good to go. You can see I can just adjust the pitch where your sun is. Adjust that. That's where my sun is in the afternoon. I'll take and just snug it up there. Pop this back in, just like this, and you're good to go. Okay, good to go. Easy breezy. That's not gonna go anywhere. Make that nice and snug. Just like that, and then I'll just cut this excess off like that, and that's a nice neat install, and that's how you do it. Super easy. As you can see, you got the solar panel here, I got this tied in here, I got the camera here, and then you can adjust the pitch and the angle, and we'll take a look at everything on the camera, and that's all you got to do. Simple, super simple. That's it, guys. So you do is rinse and repeat the other three cameras where you want to put them, put your solar panels where you want to, make sure they're facing up into the sun. That's all you got to do. All right, let's take a look at the camera, look at the footage.
I have to show you this. This is amazing. This is pitch black in my office. Literally not a light on. I couldn't even see 2 feet in front of me. It's almost like having night vision. Absolutely like night goggles. It's crazy. Look at the video in this. This is literally zero light. It's putting off like some kind of beam, a very light beam in the background, and you can see everything is all lit up. This is fantastic. So if you got a really dark area, this is gonna light it up. That's really cool. I like that. You can see my whole office here. It's all lit up. Very, very cool. Now I'm gonna show you some outside footage as well, outside in the back of where I live, and really kind of cool. Let's get to that footage right now. So here's a quick cutaway here. I'm just going to show you I'm actually live into the app. I just recorded this on my camera. So you can see the quality of the footage is excellent. You can control the camera. You can pinch and zoom. You can set up parameters to exclude certain areas. If you have too much, let's say you just want the deck only and exclude the backyard grass area, you can do that. You can actually tell the app exactly where to watch, not watch, or what to set for an alarm, or basically to set a motion off. And I'll show you that in 1 second. But you can see the quality is super cool. You can zoom, pinch and zoom on this, no problem. This is all live. You can see nighttime. This is all night vision. Looks really crystal clear. And you want to set up the parameters, just go, it's very easy into the app. There's a lot to do in this app. There's a lot to learn. Just take your time, look at the information online. There's so much information out there. Detecting zones, that's what you want to do, set up. And you can see how it says plus sign. You can add a zone. So I just added a zone, and I just want to include only my deck. So I'll just outline my deck. And that means everything inside this deck will be basically secured or watched, or alarm will go off and nothing else will go out. So say I have a lot of animals walking in the back, that won't trigger off the alarm. You can turn that on, you can shut that off. You can do all kinds of things with this thing. You can trigger off, like you saw the voice things happening. That works really well. Just really, really cool. And I love about this system. It's nice and wide. You get a really good view of everything, and it's super clear, especially at night. You can see that. You got the alarms, you got the light, you got sensors adjustment. You have so much this camera offers. Just to remove it, just hit delete, go back in. And it's just, you just got to keep playing with it. You'll learn. There's so much to learn. It's really kind of cool, and I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Definitely recommend this 1,000% if you're looking for good home security. 1,000%.